Good morning. It is Saturday, January 8th, and I just woke up and it's like 11 o'clock. So I'm going through my daily, what I do. Let Blue out of his cage. Hi, Blueface. Hi there. Hi. And he gets all happy and stretches. Isn't he cute? Say hello to Mary and Max. Good morning. So, they get all happy and now I have to figure out what I'm gonna eat and all that good stuff. And today is cleaning day. Woo! I love cleaning day. Not really, but that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So probably won't film much today. So just a heads up. Let me introduce you to the greatest egg sandwich ever. That right there. 2 pieces of toast, 2 pieces of cheese, a dippy egg, or some people call it a sunny side up egg, 3 pieces of bacon. Greatest thing ever. And actually the bacon, you don't have to cook it like the bacon that I have. It's like pre-cooked bacon that you just throw in the microwave and heat up for like 15 seconds. It comes out crunchy and amazing. So, greatest egg sandwich ever. This is what happens when I vacuum. I have a helper. Just hanging out. Yep. Having fun, babe? Someone got bass today. Blueface. He's fluffy. You are a big fluffy. He's all nice and fluffy now. And his fur will stick up. You're very cute. And Mary. You can't really tell. She kind of blends in with my bed. So, but yep. Got bathed. Half bathed me in the process. So then I had to shower. So, what are you doing? Stop laying your butt. Yeah, my sheets are clean, and you're gonna mess them all up now. Yes, you are. Are you done? Is it not fluffy enough for you or something? Look, you're losing my TV changer in there. Are you all good now? Okay. So I didn't really film much today, and just wanted to say goodnight to everybody on Sunday night. Probably going to edit and upload this, hopefully tonight. And I've kind of noticed this 2-day pattern, so I might continue with the 2-day pattern in one vlog, because my life's not that interesting. I've been reading literature, this big literature book right here, for a little bit. Reading Oedipus Rex for my English Comp 2 class. So that's so much fun. But if you can hear that, Mary is snoring. That black thing right there, she snores. Anyways, so good night, everybody.